supplies! School supplies! Woo! 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 Hello friends, trying to walk while walking downstairs and not fall on my face. Welcome back to my channel. Today is, I just forgot my watch. Just kidding, we'll start this over. Hello friends, it is July 13th and today is Target Teacher Discount Day. We are headed to Target at 7:30 in the morning. Yeah, I know, super duper early. And we are gonna get some coffee and we are gonna buy some discount Target things with our discount. Hopefully I don't need my teacher ID because I don't know where it is. I just have the coupon that I printed off on my phone. So let's go to Target and get some good things. So much stuff. Ah. Oh. This is one of the things I wanted. Size 9 to 11.
Oh, that's you.
That's me. It was meant to be.
Goodness, better. Classroom bookends.
School supplies! School supplies! Woo! Woo! Woo!
Oh, there's mermaid notebooks and avocados. I'd rather have folders that are mermaid. We have the matching folders. Dollar unicorn? Paging pocket full of primary. What will it be? Gryffindor!
Those are the flavors?
You're gonna get those?
No.
Oh. Don't tell me what to do. It wasn't. Ooh.
metallic stickers.
Oh heck, that is beautiful.
You can arrange them into.
You gonna give me a gray wall? I'm gonna get some metallic stickers to put on that dang gray wall. Did I tell you that they told me that because I was in this bedroom that I could only have light blue, gray, or brown? I had a choice of 3 colors. It was like, hello, CCP has a yellow room.
Yeah.
What happened with that? Yeah, look at your list. I have my list.
So these are super cute.
Just like you! It's a very purple unicorny aesthetic right here. What do you got here, Brittany?
Classroom store stuff. For the most part.
Look how practical you are with your wipes and your tissues and
how many
your
pencils I have.
candle. Teacher life. Okay guys, welcome back. It is now the afternoon, 4:02 p.m. precisely. I just got back from the fair. It's like 90 degrees out, it's super hot, but we are here to do a little haul on everything I bought from Target today. So if you're new, I am a special ed teacher slash interventionist, pretty small school. I kind of have a lot of roles. I'm K through 5. So I kind of have a lot of roles. I teach K through 5. So not only do I have 6 grades of students, but I also have like all the areas of disabilities. I have like regular learning disabilities, but then I'm also doing like EBD or OHI or autism. But then I'm also the interventionist. So I'm doing regular interventions with students that are at risk academically. And then I also do like social skills interventions with like special ed students and regular ed students together. So it's a whole lot of things, which means I need a lot of stuff. So let's show you the stuff. I really love these chunky glitters that the Target Dollar Spot has. So I got the blue, the purple, and the silver. I really don't remember how many glitters I have, and I didn't really take inventory of my glitter stock. But I just really liked these colors. They're $1 each in the Dollar Spot. Then we have these 3 little fake succulent plants. I was so excited to see these. It was something I had on my list that was like a must-have, and it was something I would definitely be returning to Target to find if I didn't actually find it. So I'm happy that I had it. These were $3 each. I had the 3 that I really wanted. I thought about getting the apple as well, but I just thought I would stick with 3. I don't really have like a precise location that I'm putting them yet. I kind of want to add like floating shelves above my desk area. We'll see. This pencil sock, last year they were in size like 6 to 8 or like one size fits all, and I have like humongous feet. So I have really large fat feet. They're gross. So this sock, it'll fit me. Woohoo, pencils. Then I have a pencil sock. The pencil sock was $1, so totally worth it. I got 4 of these plastic craft trays, again from the Dollar Spot. I got blue, purple, pink, and green. I'll either use them for like crafts, sensory bins, or like if we're doing like a really messy snack and I don't want them like getting chips or something all over the table, like these are a good option. Usually when I'm doing group work with special education students that would be doing that sort of thing, I have at least 4 or less, so never more than 4. Unless more new students arrive, which could totally happen. Next, we have these little happy birthday, it says they're bookmarks, but I would probably hole punch them and make them like a tag or something to stick on something. Last year I did bubbles with my birthday stuff. I haven't really decided yet this year what I'm doing with it, but I probably won't do bubbles again because I don't have enough. And I only got the giant bubbles because I had a great deal on it at Walmart. I think they were like 25 cents for the big container, so totally great. I showed this in my like shop with me when I was shopping. I got 2 of the pencils and 2 of the like multicolored stars. I wasn't quite sure how much I would need, and I didn't measure my bulletin boards prior to this, so I just wanted to make sure I had enough. And if I have too much, oh well. It's better to have too much than not enough. I think these just look so well together. Like it's a really like rainbowy aesthetic, but it's not like over the top crazy. Look at this receipt. That is a large receipt. Okay, moving on to the second bag, which is by far the heaviest bag. And my total was $117, so I think I got a pretty good amount of stuff for $117, and I pretty much had like a use for all of it. Last year I had a drawer in my room. It's in one of my filing cabinets that'll be this year filled with System 44 things or LOI things. I don't know yet. But it's just like an entire drawer full of things that I bought from the Target Dollar Spot that don't have a home. So that won't happen this year. This is a cute little learn sign. It's $1. I'll probably put it on my wall that was just painted. this is the little dollar mermaid portfolio folder I was freaking out over, as well as the unicorn one for $1. And then there's this one that says make waves. It has actual glitter on it, and that's actually $1.50, but totally worth it. These are the glitter room stickers that I was super duper excited about. It's a wall decal, so I'm assuming that you put it on and that it actually comes off eventually. So if I ever move and someone's like, oh my god, what is this shiny thing? I don't want it, then they can just peel it off the wall and it's okay. So there's also 132 pieces, so I'll probably try to like make a design like on PowerPoint or something before I just go randomly sticking circles on the wall, because if there's only 132 of them, I don't want to make a design that needs like 150 of them or something. And that was $9.99. Then I got this giant magnetic folder bin. I wasn't precisely sure exactly what I was going to do with it, but I know I probably am going to stick it on my whiteboard that actually has wheels, so it moves around, and it'll probably have something to do with either foundations or bridges math, not quite sure. And then I have 6 of these. They're $1 each, so I got 2 purple, 2 green, and then 2 blue. Our district uses the Foundations curriculum. It's by Wilson. It's a lot of like phonics and spelling, and so there's a kindergarten level, a first grade level, and then a second grade level. There's also a third grade level, but our district doesn't do the third grade level right now. And usually there's word of the day cards, and then there's trick words. And so last year I had first grade and second grade intervention groups in Foundation, and I was like juggling between these 2 groups, and I had their word cards and their trick cards all mixed up, and it was a mess. So this year I'm going to use my silhouette cameo, kind of like a cricket, and I'm going to label it first grade trick words, first grade word of the day, kindergarten trick word, kindergarten word of the day, second grade trick word, second grade word of the day. You get the picture. And then I'm using a GoPro right now because my phone camera took a dump, and this is a pretty small alternative, something I can stick in my purse, so I'm using that for filming right now. And my boyfriend put one of the batteries through the wash, so I needed another one, so that has nothing to do with teaching except for the fact that I'm filming. I got this really cute swimsuit bottom. I couldn't find the top in my size. It was $10. I have a lot of swimsuit tops that are this color. Again, nothing related to teaching, but just something I bought at Target. Now this baby I was very excited about. It says, where's the free food? And one of my favorite things, and if you watch my vlogs, you see them all the time, is when there's like free foods or like fundraisers or any sort of like cookies or birthday treats. I'm like so excited. So this is me to a T. But I also love when we have grilled cheese for lunch at school. But we usually have grilled cheese like twice a month for lunch, but not all the time do we have tomato soup with it. And so I'm always like, oh, I should have brought my own soup. But I mean, I don't actually have pots or anything at school, or even a bowl. So this will be my tomato soup cup. So I will keep tomato soup at school just for the fact of using with my grilled cheese. This is stuck. These are some thumbtacks from the dollar spot. They were $1. This one just says adulting, insert coffee to begin, be nice to end. I did not wake up like this, you totally got this, and then like a little sweary word bubble thing. So I really wanted the adulting one and the be nice the end. I don't really know what I'll do with the other ones, but I'm sure I'll figure out something. And then every time we go to Target, I end up looking at the earrings, and I've been looking at these for like far too long. I know a lot of people are into the gold big hoop hearts, but I don't really like hoops very much. I feel like students can like yank on them and stuff, so I'm more of a post kind of girl. So I really liked these ones. It'll go with a lot of outfits, so I got those. They're $9.99. Pretty sure the discount worked on that, and if not, oh well. Don't tell my boyfriend. Okay, getting down to the nitty-gritty. Let's just take it all out. Is this it? No. Oh my gosh, this is what I wanted so bad. It's just a simple little mason jar that says number 2. It's like a pencil, and I've seen where people have like glitter Mod Podge at the end, so I probably won't even use the cap. I'm probably gonna glitter Mod Podge this so it looks just fantastic and outrageous and, you know, my usual self. This is $3, so it'll be glitter. I don't really know exactly what I'm putting in it, maybe like my scissors or something, but it'll be great. So I probably won't even use the cap ever. This is a sticker book. It was $1, and it comes with 3 things of emojis and then one that's like the alphabet. Now I really enjoy alphabet stickers, and we do a lot of like activities with our kindergartners that involve the alphabet in general, so I was pretty attracted to this, especially the Q is for unicorns. So that is a plus in my life, so it was $1, so I got it. I ordered a new pocket chart stand and another pocket chart, but I still don't know if I have enough, so just in case, this one was only $3 and I like the green color. So again, this is probably something that would be used with foundations because I have word flashcards like literally all over the place. And then we have this beauty. It's a kid's novelty cape, but I'm pretty sure it'll fit me. And it says, be fearless. I'm all about the theme days, all about being involved and wearing all sorts of fun attire. So a cape that says, be fearless is like right up my alley because I'm all about people being themselves and being free to express who they are. So that's me. Got some schmutz on it. Oh well. I have the rainbow from last year that you can use chalk on. I never actually used chalk, it's more of a decorative piece. So I have last year's rainbow on this side of the whiteboard. So I figure I'll put this one on this side of the whiteboard and it'll be like perfectly matchy-matchy. It'll be great, even though it's not matchy-matchy because they're a little bit different, but it's close enough. And then this, what is that? This is like a classroom's rules poster. It says, when you enter this classroom, you are blank, you are blank. You are blank, you are blank, you are blank, you are blank, and then the last one says you are important. So I don't know exactly which group I'll make it with, but probably like my first, second grade group because they are the ones that struggle the most with all the rules. I really don't have that kind of struggles with my older kids, but really lawnmower. I really don't have any struggles with my older kids following rules. They just kind of get more silly than anything. But it's the younger kids that still struggle to follow rules and expectations, but that's expected because they're like 7-year-olds and you just have to keep that in mind. So that is all the stuff I bought from the Target 15% teacher discount day. I'm sure there'll be more. I really haven't checked out Walmart yet because I know there's still a lot more stuff coming from my area. I also, because I work at Walmart, I have a good idea of what's non-replenishable. So that means what we have is what we have, and what's still an active item, which means we'll be getting more of. So it could potentially be going on clearance. So I'm kind of savvy in that way that I kind of wait for certain items to go clearance and some that I won't. But I'm sure I'll do a Walmart haul eventually later in the summer once I've like gathered the amount of things that I want and then thought about the things that I'm waiting for to go on clearance. So this is the end of this teacher haul. I was really hoping to do it in my classroom tomorrow, but I just remembered that our cards don't work on the weekends. So that's a super duper bummer because I really wanted to get into my classroom and move my stuff out of the hallway because they said my room was done. So that's sad. But we are going to end this vlog off here. I'm going to put everything back in my Target bags and I'll catch you guys in the next one.